Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is your reading. We will see what are the energies coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So, let's begin. General reading, so pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga scammers tsaka mga fake accounts, okay? I-check nyo muna yung profile, kung ako ba talaga yan. And kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description. Okay. For fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, what's the energy? The moon, cycles. Okay, so some of you maaring nagkaroon ng major happenings nitong nakaraang full moon or anytime na nagkakaroon ng lunation. So, can be full moon or new moon. Maari ring merong natapos na cycle sa buhay mo, like it's an end of a cycle or a chapter in your life. And now you are open to new experiences, new beginnings. Let's see. Oh, you have the Five of Pentacles. I see here na may tiwala na nasira. Mhm. So, pwedeng sa pera to, pwedeng sa relationship. It's like you built this relationship or situation sa buhay mo, but nawalan ka ng tiwala dun sa tao. Somebody pwedeng merong nagbigay sa'yo ng hindi magandang experience when it comes to money or yung assurance, no? This person didn't assure you about the expectations na meron ka sa kanya. You also have the hanged one. So, ito ay suspension. So, parang some of you, pwedeng may suspension sa trabaho or you are suspending a relationship or connection with someone, and at the same time, pinag-iisipan mo kung pagpapatuloy mo pa ba yan or tatapusin mo na. Whoa, you are moving on. Ito na talaga. You are moving on from this situation. You realize your worth. Alam mo na kung ano mo, yung halaga mo. And you are going to a better direction, better place for you. Mas malakas yung loob mo ngayon. You also have temperance, this healing. So, kumbaga I think nagkakaroon ka na rin ng acceptance sa situation na hindi mo na kayang baguhin or wala ka ng control over it. So, this can be a job na nawala or, career na you feel like it's falling apart or a relationship with someone na puro betrayal lang yung ginagawa sa'yo. You have the Two of Swords. So, merong major decision sa buhay nyo, fire signs. When it comes to, I think, this is about the direction na gusto mong tahakin eh. Pwede kasi may mga options ka pa. Aside from what is available sa'yo, you are thinking about other options. Sabi na meron talagang rito, sumira ng tiwala mo. Meron talaga ritong ang bigat no, energy, no? I feel like, siya, in the beginning, parang simula pa lang, yun talaga yung intention niya. Pwedeng sa pera ito, or, yun nga, sa relationship with someone. You have the Hierophant. You have learned a lot from this experience. That's why you want to move forward dun sa direction na sa tingin mo will give you more perspective, like a new mindset sa buhay mo. So, I'm going to get a new oracle card. Let's see what other messages for, um, what other messages? Oh, believe in the impossible. Yes, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, yung kakayanan mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo maaring, um, feeling nyo, hindi nyo na kayang kumawala sa sitwasyon na 'to. But you know what? Things are changing for you because you are meant to do other things, okay? Balance, practicality, and spirituality. So, some of you, andun yung paniniwala, pananalig niyo sa sarili niyo, and at the same time, nagiging practical rin kayo, realistic rin kayo dun sa mga goals ninyo, na tipong hindi ka naman sumusuntok sa buwan, 'di ba? Kumbaga, yes, ito yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, but also you are taking action and you are planning kung ano yung dapat mong gawin para makarating ka dun. Okay? So, that is your reading, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Thank you so much and see you again.